Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing how to build a Lego penguin. Here are the things you'll be needing. One of these 2x2 black thin squares. Two of these 1x2 black rectangle. Three of these 2x2 white squares, three of them. Two of these 2x3 black thin rectangles. Two of these 2x2 triangle black, two of those. Two of these 1x1 white with eyes, two of those. One of these 2x2 black square. One of these 2x2 triangle yellow. Okay, first get the two of these 2x3 black thin and put them on each other so that there is one space left here and then one space left right there. Now get the three 2x2 whites and stick them all on each other and stick them in the middle of the two blocks like this. One is sticking out here and one is sticking out there. Now get the yellow 2x2 triangle and stick it on so it faces this way. Now get the two 1x1 eyes white, stick them out so that they're facing the beak forward, not sideways, like this. Now get the one of these 2x2 black triangle and stick it on the other side of the white like this. When you got that, get one of these 1x2 black squares and stick it on top of that. With this one, the 2x2 black thin, stick it so that it gets all connected like this. With that, get this square, the 2x2 black square, and stick it to the bottom like this. Now get the 2x2 black triangle and stick it on top of that. And with the last piece, the 1x2 black rectangle, and then just stick it on top of the triangle, black triangle. And you got your penguin. Thank you for watching and bye.